Have you ever wondered how boats stay afloat? Let's find out. Boats float through the process of displacement. A floating boat displaces or pushes aside the water around it, but the water pushes back on the boat. If a large amount of water is displaced, there will also be a large amount of force that is pushed back on the boat. This force is what supports the boat and keeps it afloat. A large boat that displaces a lot of water can usually carry more than a smaller boat that only displaces a little bit of water. Today, we are going to test this out by creating a boat out of aluminum foil. Once our boat floats, we are going to add pennies or other small objects to see how much our boat can hold before it sinks. Let's get started. What did you notice as you added more pennies to your boat? How many pennies was your boat able to hold before it started sinking? When we added pennies to our floating boat, we altered the buoyancy or the ability to float in water. When the boat was floating without any pennies, it was positively buoyant. When we added pennies and the boat started to sink, the boat was negatively buoyant. How many pennies did it take for your boat to become negatively buoyant? STEAM topics help with your child's cognitive development. Learning about science and engineering concepts engages your child's critical thinking skills and teaches your child how to solve problems. Engage with your child by asking different questions and making astute observations while you're building and testing your boats.